Hello everyone, it's Hazel's Emporium. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And today's video, everyone, we will be unboxing my stuff. Okay, so I got this from Shein. Not a sponsored from Shein. I just mentioning that these are from Shein. I ordered myself to this. Okay, so let's jump into this and do the unboxing. Please careful when using sharp object. Okay, thank you. Ta-da! I've got lots of stuff from this. So I have this. Let's pick which one is to try now. Okay. What do you say? Too many stuff to try on, huh? So I will choose which one to try on for today's episode. So yeah, see you in a few minutes. Thank you.
2,000 years later.
So this is how it looks closer. Design at the very center, as you can see that. This one size fit, guys. Okay, so this only has one size, and so it's a little bit very flexible. See, as you can see that. I'd like to use this on top of my bikini. Two-piece swimsuit, whatever beachwear or swimwear you have, you can put this on top of that. One size fits all, okay? So, very stretchy. This kind of fishnet is very visible. To be honest, I tried without this, but no, that's too risky. So I put my bikini on, and this is how this fishnet looks like. Okay. So yeah. This is very good when in the beach. I like this one. So yeah, I use my thong in this. So what do you think of this? Right? So this is how this fishnet serve. Look at this design. Yeah? That is very sexy design. So look at the back. It's almost the same pattern as at front and suited the back, right? So I use my thong, and yeah, I like this. Super. So this is all for, and I think I have blue one. Okay, so yeah. For now, closer look. And this. Very stretchy though. Very cute. Right? I like it. There are lots of good stuff in Shein though. Good deal too. This is not a sponsored video, just saying. So yeah. What do you say of this? to so stretchy, like as I've said, fit all. See, can you imagine that? So this is all sizes, double, triple XL here, okay, and here, same thing, right? So yeah. So this is all for today's video, everyone. I do hope you all love my video for today. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification bell so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.